Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're taking you inside the Spotify Camp Nou for a unique look at how the stadium is evolving, both from the match day interior and from the ongoing construction progress happening all around the site. Every corner of this massive project is advancing quickly, and even from inside the stands, the scale of transformation is unmistakable. As we arrived at the stadium, the growth of the third tier immediately stood out. Day by day, new steel beams are being positioned with incredible precision, steadily building the structure that will support the future upper stands. Cranes have been working non-stop, placing massive prefabricated elements across the north and lateral sides. Fresh concrete pours from earlier this week are now fully set. From the interior, one of the most striking developments is the progress on the VIP rings, with new walls rising across the sector. As fans filled the tribune, lateral, and south goal sections, you could feel the mix of football excitement and construction progress blending into one. Press rooms and media zones were busy, and the operational areas performed smoothly in a stadium that is still half under renovation. Looking upward, the new platforms installed earlier in the week, the ones that will eventually hold future seating rows and walkways, are now more noticeable. Those skeletal metal frameworks, filled with scaffolding and temporary supports, are gradually taking shape. Around the perimeter, workers have continued aligning the first sections of the new façade. Even though we're still in the early stages, the ceramic decorative panels and substructure are being tested and secured with exact precision to match the stadium's curved silhouette. These elements were delivered in recent days and are now being prepared for installation across multiple terraces. Inside the concourses, the progress is just as active. Reinforcement work are expanding across various levels, all part of the stadium's transformation into a next-generation arena. Back in the seating bowl, the stadium came fully alive as nearly 48,834 fans filled the open sectors. The temporary LED banner scoreboard lit up the interior beautifully, contrasting with the unfinished sections and giving us a preview of the mix between tradition and modernization that the new Camp Nou will embrace. A key detail visible from the south goal is the installation of exit tunnels, already built even before the prefabricated terraces are placed above them. After the match, which ended in a solid 3-1 victory, the stadium's evacuation was flawless. Along the second tier, the gap between the original structure and the rising third tier is clearly visible, now filled with brackets, support beams, and access elements installed throughout the week. The decorative ceramic slats shine beautifully under the lights. Their colors shift depending on the angle. And with each day, more sections are being installed, bringing the new Camp Nou's exterior identity closer to life. Under the slats, the access cores to the upper levels are taking shape, with new prefabricated staircases already fitted. And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this inside look and want to keep following both the construction progress and on-site updates, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. More detailed videos and daily coverage are coming soon here on Megaverse Builds.